नमस्कार। आज वर्ल्ड कप टी20 मैच में पाकिस्तान ने न्यूजीलैंड को हरा दिया। अब ये हार जो है, न्यूजीलैंड की हार भले ही हो, लेकिन ये इंडिया के लिए अच्छी खबर है, क्योंकि इससे इंडिया के जो हैं चांसेस हैं वो बेटर होते हैं। अब जो टेबल है उसमें तो इंडिया सबसे नीचे है, तो उसमें से ऊपर कैसे आएगा और ये हार किस लेवल पर इंडिया को सपोर्ट पड़ेगी, इसके लिए हमारे साथ बात करने के लिए हैं प्रीति उपाला जी, जो कि एक जर्नलिस्ट हैं, हॉलीवुड एक्ट्रेस हैं, मिस मिस इंडिया इंटरनेशनल रही हैं और स्पोर्ट्स एनालिस्ट हैं। प्रीति जी अपना एक इंस्टाग्राम चैनल भी चलाती हैं, प्रीति इफेक्ट, जहां पर ये स्पोर्ट्स की एनालिसिस करती रहती है। आप उधर जाकर के इनकी एनालिसिस सुन सकते हैं, डेली लगभग आ रही है और मैं भी उनका एक रेगुलर व्यूअर हूं। तो प्रीति जी, आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है हमारे शो में। प्रीति जी, ये बताइए कि आज की जो हार है उससे अब हम आगे क्या समझ सकते हैं कि इससे क्या इंडिया के प्रोस्पेक्ट्स बनते हैं, और अगर न्यूजीलैंड जीत जाता तो क्या इम्पैक्ट होता इंडिया पर?
Namaste, Rohit ji. Namaste to all your viewers. Thank you for having me again on India Matters. Always pleasure to be on your show. One of the few times when Indian fans should be very happy that Pakistan won. Honestly, we are scraping by such a thin line here, and had New Zealand won today, it would almost have been game over India, the way that things are set up at the moment. So this win by Pakistan actually opens a, a door for India, because New Zealand is at zero, India is at zero, right? And I think the run rate for India wasn't as bad. So we'll have to see whose net run rate is better between India and New Zealand. But yeah, I mean, it's definitely better for India. And I know that maybe people who don't understand the table, or yes, there are 4 or 5 games left for each team, but because those, like when you look at India, their last 3 games are very easy. They should be winning those. They should be winning against Namibia and Scotland, I am sure. And then Afghanistan, most likely we should be winning. I don't know where that's being played, but unless it's Sharjah, we should be winning. But then, so this New Zealand game is really the one which is going to make or break us. And I mean the India New Zealand game that's coming up. But by New Zealand losing today, it doesn't give them, uh, they're still on zero. Had they won, then they're up. Pakistan is up. Basically, it's those two most likely will go ahead. And if we had lost against New Zealand, definitely we would be out. But in this case, we really, this is the best chance we can have, to be honest. So I think we should be grateful the outcome actually worked in our favor. And yes, if New Zealand had won today, it would not have been good for India. I think we pretty much would have been out of the competition, no matter if we win all of our other matches, because just the way that, because they will also win their other matches too, you know.
इनफैक्ट जो हमारी टेबल है उसमें इंडिया से नीचे सिर्फ स्कॉटलैंड है, क्योंकि रन रेट है। अदरवाइज इस समय पाकिस्तान नंबर 1 स्पॉट पे, 2 में से 2 मैच जीता है। अफगानिस्तान 1 में से 1 मैच जीता है और वो दूसरे नंबर पे है। नामीबिया 3rd नंबर पे, क्योंकि उसने अब तक कोई मैच नहीं खेला है, तो उसकी रन रेट अवेलेबल नहीं है। बाकी तीनों की, न्यूजीलैंड की, इंडिया की और स्कॉटलैंड की, तीनों की रन रेट जो है वो माइनस में जा रही है। इसलिए तो सिचुएशन इस समय तो बहुत खराब है। इंडिया 5वें, न्यूजीलैंड के नीचे 5वें नंबर पे है। अच्छा, ये जो विक्ट्री है, इससे हमारे चांसेस कैसे बढ़ते हैं? क्या हम न्यूजीलैंड को अगर हरा दें तो हम निकल सकते हैं आगे?
Yes. If we win against New Zealand, then we'll get those 2 points, so we'll go up. And then I'm assuming New Zealand will win against Namibia and Scotland as well. And then I think the big match will be New Zealand and Afghanistan. But Afghanistan might have an edge actually in that match. So Afghanistan can again end up being um, sort of helping us, but then they are also ahead. So I have to say the net run rate for Afghanistan is plus 650. Incredible net run rate. That I hope doesn't come back to bite us. We have to beat them. We have to win the game with them, I think, as well as win the
Right.
game with. We pretty much have to win every game from now on. But the game against them will also be important because, and we hope that somewheres, these things happen the way that I'm seeing the script rolling out. I think Afghanistan might lose a match somewhere in between, and then Pakistan and Afghanistan is another. You could have a situation where Afghanistan might win that as well. Having said that, I think if Pakistan wins its game with Afghanistan again, the more Pakistan wins, what happens is it it keeps going further, but the points are all going to them, right? So you have number one, and then number two is up for grabs. But if Pakistan loses, then other teams are going to come to the second spot. But right now it's number one, and there's a big gap. So which is actually good for us. So we have to win. Unfortunately, we have to win pretty much all of our matches, but three of them are pretty easy. Two of them are very easy. Afghanistan kind of we should win that. And then I think the game against New Zealand is very important. If we win that, we can say that we are almost into the semis.
राइट राइट एंड अब बाकी तीन हो सकता है अफगानिस्तान के भी बेटर चांसेस हो जाएं. अच्छा, अभी हाल में ये भी बातें की जा रही थी कि इंडिया के चांसेस इसलिए भी गिर रहे हैं कि हो सकता है ये न्यूजीलैंड इंडिया को हरा दे. अगर न्यूजीलैंड ने इंडिया को हरा दिया तब तो कोई चांस ही नहीं लगता, क्योंकि इंडिया की वैसे भी रन रेट डाउन है. और अगर इफ न्यूजीलैंड, अभी संडे को होने वाला ये मैच, तो इसका मतलब वो एक मेक और ब्रेक मैच है.
Yes, it is absolutely a make or break match. If India wins that, I think we are almost booking ourselves a spot. Now, if we lose that, the only way we would be able to win, actually, it might be tricky, but the only way we would be able to win is if Afghanistan beats New Zealand when they play, and then you want Afghanistan to lose against Pakistan, then you'll have a dynamic where India can. This is a strange case where another team winning could actually open the door for India, and I don't think we are usually in this position, but in this World Cup we are kind of at the mercy of Pakistan and Afghanistan to see. And the more they with Pakistan, the more they win, it opens up for us. Afghanistan, the more they win, no, because they will get the number two. I don't think anybody expected that Afghanistan would do. I mean, the way that their matches are, they had an easy match first. They might struggle against. They might lose both New Zealand and Pakistan. That would help us. So I think that's what we should hope for. That Afghanistan loses its at least two matches, and then we have to beat New Zealand to get on the board. And then if we just win two more, we should be home safe.
राइट राइट. अब हमारे व्यूअर्स के क्वेश्चंस ले लें तो हमारे एक व्यूअर हैं जिनका नाम है अरुण एन. वो कह रहे हैं शेम ऑन वकार यूनिस. ठीक है, वकार यूनिस तो ऑफ कोर्स जो उन्होंने बोला इट वाज शेमफुल, नो डाउट अबाउट इट. बाकी एक जनाब बोल रहे हैं कि यू गॉट टू अंडरस्टैंड स्कॉटलैंड वॉन अगेंस्ट पाकिस्तान ऑफ लेट, नेवर नो. अरुण एन बोल रहे हैं कि स्कॉटलैंड अभी हाल में पाकिस्तान के खिलाफ खेला है और जीत गया है, तो you never know. Then Akshat Patel बोल रहे हैं what are the chances of India moving into finals?
I think once our mission, take one step at a time, our mission should be get into the semis. Because to be honest, right now, that's not guaranteed and we're not looking very good. But today's loss, New Zealand's loss and Pakistan's victory today opened a little bit of a door for us, a pathway for us. So it's good news. We survived one day, one more day. Our focus should be win every match, get to the semis. Once we're in semis, I think we can really recalibrate, take a deep breath, we're in, and then the knockout matches, anything goes. I think our chances are actually good. I suspect as the tournament goes on, we'll get better. So our job is just to get into the semis.
and from the very same gentleman only से question उन्होंने पूछा कि इंडिया पाकिस्तान फाइनल के कितने chances हैं?
Very good. But I have my predictions were both finalists will be from the subcontinent. One of them will be Pakistan. The other will be, to be honest, it'll either be India or Sri Lanka. The only SENA country I can see coming in is Australia. That's the way that I have it in my mind. And I think India-Pakistan final will be enormous for eyeballs, for numbers, and all of that. Don't write off Sri Lanka-Pakistan final as well. India-Australia final will also be a very good one. West Indies, I think they're out. They're done. They lost two. And I know people were saying, oh, they're going to make it. And I said, no, they won't make it this time. It's not their year. Yeah.
अक्षत पटेल पूछ रहे हैं कि इंडिया वर्सेस न्यूजीलैंड के जो मैच है उसमें क्या-क्या चेंजेस हो सकते हैं हमारे टीम स्क्वाड में?
Yeah, great point. We have to see where it's being played. I don't think we're playing any games in Sharjah, which is actually good for us. So it'll be Dubai or Abu Dhabi, I think. For me, if I was a selector, the Indian selector, I would not have Hardik Pandya. I would bring in Venkatesh Iyer or even Ashwin actually in his place, possibly. And I would not have Bhuvaneshwar Kumar. I will have Shardul Thakur, have Jadeja, have Bumrah. And I may even bring Ishan Kishan, depending on how he's doing with his like net practice, I guess. Bring him in instead of Sky. You'd have to keep Rohit Sharma. I think that's too big of a risk for this match. Ishan Kishan is, if he's really performing and Sky is not, and they really should be practicing every day, then I would even make that change. But definitely Thakur is in for me. Iyer is an option. I think Pandya needs to go, and no Bhuvi, and Shami also. I wouldn't have him.
Okay. मीनाक्षी जी पूछ रही हैं कि मीनाक्षी जी पूछ रही हैं कि Rahul should be wicket keeper to open up another all-rounder?
No, I think Rishabh is a better keeper than Rahul. So Rishabh keeps. Rahul should focus on opening. He should be focusing on getting runs. I mean, he's had such a great IPL. I'm just a little shocked he so far not such a great World Cup. I think he'll get his form, and I think we'll see some good runs. So.
Right. अच्छा, इंडिया न्यूजीलैंड मैच में आपको चांसेस किसके ज्यादा दिख रहे हैं? इंडिया फॉर्म में तो नहीं दिख रही है?
Definitely India. I think India will win this. I think we will win it. I don't know how tight it will be, but I think we got this. Today's match, they should have been paying attention because there were a lot of weaknesses that were kind of revealing themselves. And Pakistan obviously have studied New Zealand very well. They have studied all their opponents very well. They know how to play them. We haven't done that homework, I think. So, I mean, just look at their bowling. It's perfect. They know the right length, the right line. Each bowler is doing what he needs to do. Boom. Great fielding. I mean, it's just the whole setup was great. So we need to do some homework. But I think we have what it takes. And you can see even Trent Bolt, even Southee, they're not lethal like they were actually in the IPL. They were okay, but everywhere else they're so lethal, right? Especially in England or New Zealand or Australia. So I think that these conditions suit India more. And I think India has something to prove. It's a do or die game for us. So I think we'll want to come out and win it convincingly.
मैडम, आपकी प्रेडिक्शंस बहुत डेंजरस होती हैं. आपने बोला था इंडिया पाकिस्तान मैच में पाकिस्तान जीतेगी, वो जीत गई. फिर आपने पाकिस्तान न्यूजीलैंड के लिए बोला था कि न्यूजीलैंड हार जाएगी, न्यूजीलैंड हार गई. अब आप बोल रहे हैं इंडिया जीतेगी. आई होप दिस गोज वेल. सेकेंडली, अब आपसे आई विल बी टेकिंग 1 or 2 क्वेश्चंस फ्रॉम द व्यूअर्स. एट द मोमेंट वी हैव 119 व्यूअर्स लाइव विद अस. कोई क्वेश्चन कोई पूछना चाहे तो पूछ सकता है. KL इंडिया वर्सेस पाकिस्तान यार, अक्षत भाई पूछ तो लिया ये क्वेश्चन। अच्छा, ये अंकित विश्वकर्मा पूछ रहे हैं कि नंबर 4 पर श्रेयस अय्यर जैसा प्लेयर को ना खिलाकर स्काई को क्यों खिलवा रहे हैं?
Poor selection, going with bigger names and who you think has done well in the past rather than going by current form. Because when you listen to their press conferences, I'm not very convinced and I'm not very pleased with their whole process. I think, you know what, even if Kohli, if he hadn't announced that he was stepping down, honestly, after this World Cup, even if we won it, I have a feeling he would have been asked to step down. I just don't think this is working for us. This whole combination of Shastri, Kohli, their mindset, attitude is not working for India. So it just as well that he announced it before all of this drama. I'd take a chance on Shreyas Iyer. You have to see who's in better nick, Shreyas Iyer or Ishan Kishan, and one of them can come in. You know what? We could also have Rahul and Kohli opening. That might be good for a change because they have done that in the past, and there's nothing like them. So you could even have Kohli, Rohit opening, but I think you could mix it up. I think you should mix it up.
ओके, और मीनाक्षी जी पूछ रही है मनीष पांडे, एनी चांसेस?
No, I think he had a decent IPL, but I think, I mean, he wasn't even in the reserves. I think the players that are pretty much the playing 11, the main squad, plus the 3 reserves, that those are really what you have to play with. Now, if India wins this game against New Zealand, I think we are in a better position. And then for those, Namibia and Scotland, I think you can take some chances. You know, you could try even Harshal Patel, see how that goes. Deepak Chahar. If Shreyas Iyer doesn't play this game against New Zealand, you could try. If Venkatesh Iyer doesn't play this game, you could try him there. Definitely you could experiment with when you play against Scotland and Namibia. But I think against Afghanistan, your last match, I have a feeling that match is going to really be the final decider, because I think we'll win the next one and we'll probably win Scotland and Namibia, but the other teams would have also won, and we'll be in a situation where for the second spot they might be. It looks like it'll be Afghanistan or India, and that match will decide. And I think India will have to win that, and you need to figure out how to play against the Afghan bowlers, right? They are very, very good, and that's a tough match. So it'll be a good one though.
ओके, अभिषेक जायसवाल पूछ रहे हैं पांड्या की जगह वेंकटेश अय्यर at opening, at Rahul at 4.
No, I wouldn't have Venkatesh. Well, Pandya doesn't open, right? So you wouldn't replace him that way. Venkatesh, I still think for this team, KL and Rohit or KL and Kohli is the way to go. Venkatesh, if you do get him, he should be in place of Sky, I would say. So 3 or 4, and
Okay.
yeah.
And Ankit Vishwakarma is asking के चहल को इंडिया में टीम में लाना महंगा पड़ेगा?
It's too late now. He wasn't even in the net. He's gone. I think he's back in India. It's not his World Cup. He might not play a World Cup again. I think he's maybe coming to the end of his career,
And Hardik Pandya, should he be dropped?
Well, I mean, I guess dropped wouldn't be the right word. You rest him and you bring in another player. Like, this is not the IPL, right? Everyone's playing 30 games or something like that. If they actually just few games, right? In the end, I wouldn't play him against New Zealand. I really would not play him. I think if you want to play him after we won this game, I still wouldn't play him to be honest, for the rest of the tournament. I think he's good. He's done. I think it'll be more problematic. And he says he's injury free. He's fine. He gets injured very easily, so something might come up. They may be niggles, you know. I just don't. I think just let it be.
Right. This question was from Akshat Patel or Akshar Patel replacing Pandya. That's sort of saying.
No, that I mean, Pandya is not even bowling here. Akshar doesn't bat, so it wouldn't be the right. Akshar is. I don't think, you know. I think they obviously got that correct because originally he was in the 11, and he's gone now. And Ashwin, who they got Harshal, who they got somebody in his place, right? Is it Thakur? Thakur came in his place, which is good. Ashwin should get some. He should get a shot. He's good. Maybe Ashwin against the Afghan team might be a good matchup.
Okay. हैप्पी चीमा बोल रहे हैं ये मैम हिंदी नहीं बोल सकती क्या? बिल्कुल बोल सकती हैं, लेकिन बोलती हैं अभी कुछ दिन बाद आप इतनी हिंदी में ही सुनेंगे, आप टेंशन मत लीजिए, क्योंकि मैम हॉलीवुड की एक्ट्रेस हैं, तो वहां पर काम करती हैं और वो ये बचपन से बाहर ही रही हैं। इनका दिल भले ही हिंदुस्तानी हो, इंडियन लैंग्वेजेस में 5 लैंग्वेजेस जानती हैं और जल्दी ही आपके लिए हिंदी में भी आएंगी। बट देन हम इस समय क्रिकेट पे बात कर रहे थे, लैंग्वेज पे नहीं। एक और अक्षत पटेल ने पूछा हमसे, शुड चेजिंग हैज एन अपर एज इन द वर्ल्ड कप? अभी तक देख रहा है चेजिंग अपर एज लेते हुए।
If you lose the toss, you have little choice. I think the better team will win either way. You have to find a way because you know, I look, our record of winning tosses is not very good. Just assume you lose the toss and make your arrangements anyway. India is, I don't know. We've won games chasing. We've lost games chasing. Right? Depends on the team. New Zealand can chase. You know, New Zealand can chase. I don't think you want to be, if you do win the toss, I think you'd want to, then you do have some say. And I think you should be very careful with your decision if you do end up winning the toss. That will be a big win. That will be a good toss to win. And you will be able to dictate. And I think, look, we're seeing the dew, the conditions, it's very finicky, you know, depending on the dew factor. If you do chase, it might help you, but if the dew factor isn't that great, it won't. So you have to really read the conditions properly, I think.
Right. We have 152 people at the moment live with us. ये एक फाइनल क्वेश्चन लेना चाहूंगा, इसके बाद मैं दिस क्वेश्चन एंड द फाइनल क्वेश्चन, क्योंकि हम लोग रात में 12:50 हो चुके हैं इस समय। दिस क्वेश्चन कम्स फ्रॉम फनी वीडियोस, जेंटलमैन whose name is funny videos on YouTube, बोल रहे हैं कि रोहित को ओपनिंग्स पे ना रखकर मिडिल में रखा जाए तो क्या अच्छा रहेगा?
He can't go too low, right? He can't be any lower than 3 or 4. He's a 1 or a 2. Either don't have him at all, or he has to be a 1 or a 2.
ओके हाँ, क्योंकि जनरली बोला भी जाता है जो हार्ड हिटर्स होते हैं उनको अगर आप 3rd 4th लेवल पे ले आते हैं तो उनके पास ओवर्स कितने बच जाते हैं अपना परफॉर्मेंस दिखाने के लिए, तो ऐसे लोगों को स्टार्टिंग में रखना चाहिए। सौरभ पूछ रहे हैं मैम का चैनल कौन सा है? मैम का चैनल है प्रीति इफेक्ट, इंस्टाग्राम पे अभी जाकर के सब्सक्राइब करें और देखें मैम की एनालिसिस। नाउ फाइनल क्वेश्चन आई एम टेकिंग, मैं ले रहा हूं अक्षत पटेल बोल रहे हैं कि टॉस जीतना ही क्या इधर विक्ट्री को गारंटी करता है?
No, we've seen that. I mean, look, the IPL final, the toss was lost by CSK, and it was a good toss to lose. You know, had they won, it might have gone a different way. I mean, I do think that they were the better team, but there have been finals where the eventual winner lost the toss, and they were forced to bat first or ball first, and they still won. Ultimately, the better team wins. We hope to win because at least you can set the set the pace. But you know, if you lose it, then that's what you get, and you have to play that. You have to play whatever conditions. I hope they win this toss, though. I think this would be a good one to win. But regardless, they have to get the selection right. Uh, I hope they're practicing. I mean, you can't have a collapse. New Zealand bowling is very good, right? So you can't do that. Their fielding is very good. You don't want runouts. You don't want to get outs and all of that. So they have to, I think, do a lot of homework for this game. But I think the conditions suit them. I think their experience playing on these sorts of pitches also suits them. And if they make some changes, they will have a much more solid team. And I think that team should easily win.
प्रतीक परमार बोल रहे हैं कि मैं उनका क्वेश्चन नहीं पूछ रहा हूं, मैं उनका क्वेश्चन पढ़ ही नहीं पाया हूं, तो पूछूंगा कैसे? इतना इतना फास्ट स्क्रॉल कर रहा है चैट के, नहीं पढ़ पा रहा हूं मैं। बाय द वे, अगर वो दोबारा पूछ ले तो मैं जल्दी पूछ लूंगा। देन मीनाक्षी जी बोल रही हैं कि, मीनाक्षी जी का कमेंट भी ऊपर भाग गया। दिस इज नीलेश गरुड़, डोंट यू थिंक win against India gave boost to Pakistan team? Was the logic of Islam wins? Anyways, Islam wins यार, वो पॉलिटिक्स को क्यों ला रहे हो आप इसमें गेम में? ये पाकिस्तानी पॉलिटिशियंस हैं और ये पाकिस्तान है जो कि अभी मैं कहीं पढ़ रहा था कि 1,000 रुपए किलो उनके पास बकरे का मीट हो रहा है, लेकिन उनको इस्लाम विंस ज्यादा दिखता है। खैर एनीवेज, बोलना भी लाजमी है, व्हाटएवर दे से, उनकी मर्जी है। बट द फैक्ट रिमेन्स कि हाँ, ये क्वेश्चन आपका बहुत लॉजिकल है कि क्या इंडिया के साथ जीत के बाद मोरल हाई हुआ है पाकिस्तान का?
I think yes. They're on cloud nine. You know, it was a huge win, and it was a good win. Before that game, I think they were fired up. I think they knew they had what it takes. They know how good they are, and again, these pitches are their backyard, their second home. They've played many times. They excel. Conditions suit them, but I don't think they expected to win it against India so decisively. It's a huge win. And yes, they are on cloud nine, and now they won this. It's great, but you know, they may end up winning all of their matches. At least the next two they will. The only one I can see them losing is actually the one against Afghanistan, which is interesting. Very ironic if that happens. But this will be an interesting group. They will probably win 4 matches at least, right? And then that's 8 points, and I think that the person who comes second, they might just get 4. So it's a disparity, but remember, once you come to the semis, everything is equal. As we've seen in IPL, you can be a leader, and then knockout stages is different game.
Right. Prateek Parmar का question आ गया कि can Rohit really score in the next match? What are the chances? This is the final
honestly,
question we are taking.
I don't see that. I have, well, in one of the warm-up matches, he did do well. I mean, it could be part of the script. He suddenly makes a quick 50, and he's looking sluggish, he's looking lethargic, he's looking tired. The intent isn't there. Looks like he hasn't slept. He looks very tired. But we have a lot of days rest in between, and a few days is all you need to change everything around. So either by press conferences, I can tell you that he won't be dropped. So he will be played. So we have to just hope that he fires, and he can't be slow either. I think we need someone to come in and make runs quickly. And he is going to be a big liability if he doesn't. I mean, I don't want that to be, if the openers don't fire, it'll be a massive setback.
Okay. फनी वीडियोस बता रहे हैं, उनका नाम नवीन है। आपका क्वेश्चन हमने ले लिया है। एक और क्वेश्चन आ रहा था, मैं उस क्वेश्चन को समझ नहीं पाया था। BLM का जेस्चर for Team India. What is BLM? I could not understand. If you could understand, please answer. This is question by Strings.
Okay, Strings. Thank you. BLM is Black Lives Matter. So some clarification, and I think finally the media, we are seeing the clear story. Everybody thought, why did Team India take the knee, right? And for again, for BLM, and there were a lot of people were a little upset with that and the way that things had gone. The official story is that ICC has told all the teams that they have to take the knee uh, after the national anthem, and anyone who disagrees will be expelled or excluded, or and I think as a team, if you say you won't take the knee, you probably won't be playing. We saw Quinton de Kock, the South African wicketkeeper, who refused to take the knee. This is shocking news. And he withdrew himself, saying, I cannot take the knee, so I'm not playing. But imagine if he had just come on the day and not taken the knee, they might have asked him to leave the field. I don't know what the rules are. So he obviously didn't want to embarrass himself and embarrass South Africa. So he withdrew, giving that as an excuse, which I actually respect. So it is a rule mandated. You have to take the knee as a respect for Black Lives Matter. Black Lives Matter is a movement that started in America, where I live, and because of the George Floyd death and protests. It's a big movement. It got politicized a lot. So now a lot of sporting events take the knee, and there's a lot of resistance against it here in America. I don't know why it was bought in the context of cricket, considering Americans don't play cricket. They don't watch cricket, so they don't know that the BLM thing is happening there. It's silly. I think they should have said, let's take a stand. You don't have to kneel. Just take a stand, just a minute silence, respect, stand, whatever, against discrimination, hatred, and bigotry and racism. I think that would have been better. But this is very specific against BLM and the kneeling thing. I think something is very wrong here. So, but just to let people know, it wasn't BCCI who told Indian team to do that, and Kohli didn't tell the Indian team to do that. All the teams were asked. The Pakistani team is the only team that didn't take the knee, but they did this, which was accepted. And I think India should have also done that. I think it would have been, and next time, I think I want to see them do this,
ओके ग्रेट थैंक्स अ लॉट प्रीति जी हम ऐसा ज्वाइन करने के लिए, और उम्मीद है हम आपके साथ डिस्कशन करते रहेंगे. संडे विल बी अनदर डे जहां पर हम देखेंगे कि इंडिया और न्यूजीलैंड का मैच होगा, और दैट विल बी ब्रेकिंग, दैट विल बी एक्चुअली शैटरिंग मैच, जो कि हमें बताएगा कि नेक्स्ट इंडिया जाने वाला है या न्यूजीलैंड. तो आपके साथ फिर डिस्कशन होगा. अभी के लिए नमस्कार, जय हिंद.
Namaskar, Jai Hind, thank you.